Hello everyone, I'm Gary from Count Product Team, and today I'm going to show you how the redesigned funnel section helps you better than before. As you know, Funnels tool lets you visualize the steps your users take to complete a task and quickly see how well they're succeeding or failing at each step. You can act on this information to improve your app or website, like rethinking the inefficient or abandoned customer journeys. So let's click on the funnel section and take a look at which funnels are there. We have a couple of funnels in here, and thanks to the redesign, now you can take a quick look at each funnel's 30-day history and see the performance right on this main screen. You can have a couple of favorites in your list, so that even helps you find and see your most important funnels very easily. Let's dive into this funnel and see the sequential steps. As you can imagine, it's natural to see more people in the first steps of the funnel, but there's a huge drop between steps 2 and 3, so I see that almost half of the users are lost at that step. This could be a serious problem since people do not proceed to the next step. They may even quit the app and leave their cart or without completing the checkout. So thanks to the funnels, we realized that there's something that needs more attention at that step. To pinpoint what the problem is, you could investigate further using some of the other tools and data available in Countly. Well, that's basically how funnels work and how they could be used to get more insights from your app or website. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.